Hey there! Welcome to your first step towards a healthier, fitter you. If you've never worked out a day in your life, this video is for you. Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere, and today is your day to begin. It's time to get fit now with simple exercises that anyone can do. These exercises are designed to be easy yet effective, perfect for beginners. So, grab a bottle of water, a towel, and let's get started. Hydration and preparation are key to a successful workout. First, let's warm up. Warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and get your body ready for exercise. March in place for 1 minute. This simple movement will get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Keep your back straight and your knees lifting high. Focus on your form to maximize the benefits. This gets your blood pumping and your muscles ready to go. A good warm-up sets the tone for the rest of your workout. All right, let's dive into our first exercise, squats. Squats are fantastic for building lower body strength. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. This stance provides a stable base for the movement. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Proper form is essential to avoid injury and get the most out of the exercise. Push back up to standing. Engage your core and glutes as you rise. Do 3 sets of 10 squats. Take a short break between sets if you need to. Remember, every squat you do is a step towards a healthier you. Celebrate each small victory. Next, let's do push-ups. Push-ups are great for building upper body strength. If regular push-ups are too challenging, start with your knees on the ground. Modified push-ups are just as effective for beginners. Place your hands shoulder width apart. This position ensures proper alignment and balance. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. Aim for 3 sets of 10 push-ups. Consistency is key to building strength. Yes, it's tough, but trust me, you're tougher. Push through the challenge and you'll come out stronger. Now let's work on our core with planks. Planks are excellent for building core stability. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. This variation targets your core muscles more effectively. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Focus on maintaining proper alignment. Hold for 20 seconds. Feel the burn in your core muscles. Do this 3 times. Feel that burn? That's your strength building. That's your strength building. Embrace the challenge and know that you're getting stronger with each rep. Finally, let's cool down with some stretching. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Reach for the sky, then bend down and touch your toes. This stretch helps to relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Hold each stretch for 15 seconds. You've earned it. Enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. Take a moment to look in the mirror. Reflect on the effort you've put in today. Say, "I am starting today." Affirmations can boost your motivation and confidence. Remember, small steps taken every day lead to big changes. You're doing amazing. Keep up the great work. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more easy exercises like this. Join our community and let's support each other. Let's get fit together, one small step at a time. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward and stay motivated.